Hi friends, this video shows how to insert and remove pet bottle. So this is a pet bottle. So I will show you how to insert this pet bottle into Sodamaker and remove it. So first we need to press here. So you can see it has opened. Then press like this. Then take the pet bottle. Then connect it like this. Then turn the pet bottle to right side. Okay, done. So then we can close it. Done. This way we can insert the pet bottle. So next I am going to show you how to remove the pet bottle. Again just press here. See, it has opened. Then just press and hold. Then rotate the pet bottle to left side. See, this way we can remove the pet bottle.